EDO 2020. Keke and Okada Riders Union don't openly endorse Governor Godwin Obaseki for second term. Plenty Keke and Okada riders wey dey under an award wey be 7 different unions don't come out of Benin City to endorse PDP governorship candidate and governor of Edo State, Godwin Obaseki, for second term. The union members do the solidarity waka from King Square, enter Saple Road, go reach Stella Obasanjo Hospital for Country Home Road, where they for talk on top the ogbonge work of Governor Godwin Obaseki administration. Them talk saying don't do plenty things for the state with different technology-oriented projects. The State Secretary of Anewat, Daniel Ayegbeni, talk am as he dey address the supporters of Saple Road, say the governor don't do plenty ogbonge work since he enter office, especially as he stop the plenty levies and dues wey dem be dey collect for drivers, and it dey sometimes happen for gunpoint, and this one dey cause serious hardship and embarrassment for the drivers dem. He talks say since Godwin Obaseki enter office as governor, the drivers don dey experience better freedom from all these dues and then they fit save for future. Plus, say the governor don reduce the use of Keke and Okada for crimes due to the registration of each Keke and Okada for the state database. And na this one make them don make up their mind to tanda gidigba for him back to support him re-election. The coordinator of Idusi Estate Homeowners, Beauty Igebo, talks say nobody go fit stop the re-election of Godwin Obaseki as he don't do well for different sectors. And so him mandate not dey negotiable. She talks say them go vote for him for September 19 and make sure say their vote count. Now so all the supporters come march go Edo State Government House where Honorable Sagbovo Iyoa will be the special advisor to Governor Godwin Obaseki on top political matters for Edo South, and Crusoe Osage will be the special advisor to the governor on top media and communication strategy for receive them on behalf of the governor. Them tell the supporters say na the right stress they make so as them they support Governor Godwin Obaseki, say he go continue to dey work hard to make sure say better dey enter Edo State wey go make everybody dey proud. This one are the ogbonge informate who don't carry come give una on top inside Edo today. As Keke and Motorcycle Riders Union don't support Governor Godwin Obaseki for second term and then talk say him re-election na done deal. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na him carry this ogbonge informate come give una, and my name na Edororo Edolei.